In today's video, I'm about to show you how to make your first $100 a day with CPA marketing, and I'm going to show you how to do this with CPA lead. All you simply need to do is to get people to install an app, because if you think of it, CPA means cost per action. So you only need to get people to install an app and you make money. This is way simpler than affiliate marketing, where you have to get people to make a purchase before you make money. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to cpalead.com, and if you come over to this website, if you scroll down here, you're going to see these are offers you can promote and start making money on this platform. So all you then need to do is to click on the create account button. It's then going to bring you to this page where you want to enter your basic information and your account will be approved right away. So once you create an account on CPA lead, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you want to scroll down, and this is where you will have access to various offers you can start promoting on the platform. And as you can see, this is a newly added offer, and the reason you want to go with new offers is because there is not a lot of competition yet, and you can make a lot of money promoting this offer because this is a fresh offer and you can get people to sign up right away. And if you scroll down here, you can see this offer NWeb is available in a lot of countries, as you can see right here, with various payouts. And if you take a look at the USA option, you can see you can get paid over $4 for just getting people to install this app on their device. So if I click on this offer, as you can see, this offer has fast pay feature, which means whatever you make today, you can request for payout tomorrow and get paid from CPA lead. And now the only downside to this is they want only 25 leads every single day, which means if you bring 25 leads every single day, you'll be making $100 promoting this offer. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get 25 leads every single day for absolutely free. So if you scroll down here, you want to make sure to click on preview offer. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see what this offer is all about. As you can see, people make money from this offer, and you can see the payout they've received right here. People even get paid via crypto, PayPal, and other form of payment. All right, so this lets you know that we are going to be targeting people who want to make money online. And also you can see they have a mobile version as well, which means we can target both people on mobile device and desktop, and we will be making money when we get people to sign up to this platform. All right, and now don't worry, I have already done my research and I'm going to show you the perfect traffic source that you'll be using to make money promoting this offer. And the traffic source we are going to be using today gets over 500 million visits every single month. And the best part is, if you scroll down, you can see majority of the traffic comes from United States. As you can see, over 44% of this traffic is from US only. And if you scroll down here, the rest of this traffic is spread out across these other tier 1 countries. And that is still a good thing for us, because if you come back to this offer, you can see it accepts leads from Australia, Canada, Germany, and United Kingdom, which tells you this is the perfect traffic source to promote this offer and make a lot of money, because all the countries here are acceptable by this CPA offer. The traffic source is tumblr.com, and all you simply need to do is to go over to tumblr.com to create a free account. And for those who don't know, Tumblr is a social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and the likes. However, it's not as mainstream as the ones I just mentioned, which means you can make a lot of money here, as many affiliate marketers don't promote offers on this platform. Once you sign up to this platform, as you can see, you can make content in form of text, photos, codes, links, charts, audio, and video. And now I'm going to show you how to use 2 strategies to make money promoting this offer on Tumblr. So the first strategy is coming over to the search section, and you want to type in hashtag make money. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of posts, and here you are going to see notes. What this note means is the number of engagement this post has gotten. And just as you can see right here, this is a content about money. And now if I click on the notes, you can see over 124 people have reposted this, and as you can see, over 379 people have liked this content. So we are going to be targeting these people because we already know they are interested in making money. All you then need to do is to hover on any of this profile, and if you right click on this, you'll be able to open this profile on a new tab. So once you come over here, all you simply need to then do is to click on this plus button. So once you do that, you'll be able to send a DM to this person and recommending this CPA offer to them. All right. And before you do that, you want to create content which you'll be using to promote this offer. And that is where canva.com comes in. So all you simply need to do is to head over to canva.com, which is also a free platform as well. However, I highly recommend to take advantage of the 30 days free trial to get access to the pro features of canva.com. All right. So once you come over to the platform, all you simply need to do is to come over to where it says create a design. And if you do this, you then want to come over to where it says custom size, and you want to type in 1000 by 1000 pixel, and you want to click on create new design. So once you do that, you then want to come over to the template section. Like I said, we want to take advantage of the pro features of Canva to do this. So all you simply need to do is to type in make money in the search bar, and you are going to see a lot of templates Canva has already made for you, which means all you need to do is to drag and drop and make simple edits, and you are good to go. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you're going to see a lot of templates you can use without having to create anything from scratch. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, which says how to make $1,000 every single month, beginner guides to financial freedom. All right, and if you remember earlier in the video, we came over to this website and you can see people are making money from this website, and they are getting paid via various methods like gift card, PayPal, crypto, and all that. So you can see when people come over to this platform, they can make money on the internet for themselves. So that is why it makes sense using this template. So we are going to be making only one edit on this template, and that is changing this section. And you can type in something simple like register below. Okay, you can also change this figure from 1000 to whatever figure of your choice. And this is how easy you can create content on canva.com. And once you're done, you want to simply click on the share button and you want to click on download. And now you want to then download it straight away to your device. So once you do that, the next step is to then come back to CPA Lead and you want to copy your affiliate link. It's always a good practice to use URL shorteners like bit.ly.com to shorten your affiliate link so that it looks more appealing to people to click on the link. You can also use websites like tinyurl.com as well. However, I'm going to use tinyurl, and the reason I like tinyurl is because you can customize your link. And if you do this, as you can see right here, I just changed this to get paid $1,000. All right, and now you want to click on shorten URL. So once you shorten the URL, all you then need to do is to copy the shortened URL. Then you want to go back to the DM of these people, and now as you can see, you want to then tell them, have you tried making money online with this website? They pay you via PayPal, gift card, and crypto. You can check it out here. All right, so this is where you then want to paste in your affiliate link. And now before you send out this, you want to then include that image you created on Canva so that to increase the chances of people reading this message. So as you can see, I have uploaded this image. All I simply need to do is to then click on send. And once they click on the link, it's going to bring them to this website, and truly they are going to see they can get paid via gift card, PayPal, crypto. And now once they click to sign up to this website, you make easy money. It's that simple. So now that we know this offer wants leads from only 25 people a day, you want to then make sure to send this DM to only 25 people so that way you can come over to use this platform to get free leads every single day. Another way to get leads if you don't want to send out DM is to create content and post it on this platform. And as you can see, these are the various channels you can create content on this platform. So I'm going to take the photo as an example. And this is where you want to upload that photo we created on Canva. You then want to type in the same script like this. So once you do that, you then want to come over to this section that says hashtag. As you can see, if you add hashtags, this is going to help people who are interested in making money online to find this post. So you want to click on this, and this is where you want to type in hashtag like make money. So as you can see now, it's suggesting other hashtags for us right here. So once you type in all the necessary hashtags, you want to make sure to hyperlink this section here, and you want to then click on this link icon. All right, so if you click on this, this is where you'll be able to paste in that CPA offer link, and you want to click on done. And you want to also make sure to hyperlink this image as well by clicking on this link icon, and you want to paste in the link and you want to click on done. So once you do that, you can just simply publish that post to Tumblr directly, or you can use any of these other content format right here. Like if I come over to text, I can just give this post a heading like this: how to make money online. You want to then type in the same script, but feel free to get creative if you want to do that, and you can hyperlink this as well and paste in that CPA offer link. So once you do this, you want to add hashtag as well. All right, so once you add as many hashtags as you want, all you simply need to do is to click on post now, and you are going to be getting organic traffic directly from Tumblr. All right, so if you combine using the DM strategy and posting directly to Tumblr, I can assure you, you are going to get a lot of leads and you'll be making money with absolutely free traffic as a complete beginner. So if you like this video, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now to see another easy way to make money with CPA marketing.